Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can hack Monopoly Go and get unlimited money using your own device. So whether you have Android or an iOS device, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be flipping my screen over and showing you using my own phone how this cool app works and also how you can download and install it for yourself. So like I said, you don't need to have just an iPhone or iOS device. If you have Android, you can also do this for yourself. So I'm going to be showing you just how you can download and install it and yeah, how it works. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so I want to show you how easy it is to use this app and basically get your free money on Monopoly Go. So this is the app, it's the Monopoly Go++ app. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you. So I'm here in the menu here to get money. As you can see, my current balance is 0. And I have all of these options that I can choose from, and you don't need to worry about the prices down below. All you have to do is click whichever one you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the 640K one just to show you, and just keep in mind here that I have 0 balance. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And as you can see, immediately I went up those 640. And if I click again, I'll go up another and again, and so on and so forth. So yeah, now look at what my current balance is, and I used to only have $0. So if you also want to do that for yourself, let's go ahead and continue. Now, first of all, if you are using an iOS device like I am, we do need to make some adjustments. So we're going to head to our settings first, but if you are using Android, you don't need to worry about these steps. So once you're in our settings, we're going to go ahead and click battery first. And here we just want to make sure that we have low power mode turned off. So make sure it's gray like that. And also make sure that you have at least 10% battery in your device so that you don't run into any issues once you are actually downloading and installing the app. So yeah, keep that in mind, low power mode turned off. Now we're going to head back to settings and we're going to click general and then background app refresh. Click there once again. And we are going to select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So whichever works best for you, whichever you prefer, just make sure that you don't have it in off, okay? Now heading back to our general settings, we're gonna click about. And we just want to verify that our iOS version is at least iOS 11. If you don't have at least that, then you do need to upgrade your iOS version before you proceed with trying to download and install the app, since you will not be compatible, okay? So make sure that you do that, and that way you won't run into any problems once you are downloading your app. And of course, if you have anything above iOS 11 like I do, you're good to go. Now we're going to head back to our settings and we're going to head down to Safari. And then we're going to go all the way down to advanced. And last but not least, super important step, make sure that you have JavaScript enabled. So if you don't, just click the slider till it's green just like that. So JavaScript allows the web page to load properly, meaning we can also download and install our app properly. So it's very important to have JavaScript enabled. All right, and that's basically it for our settings adjustments. We can exit out of there. And now for everyone, both Android and iOS, we're gonna open up our web browser. So whichever you use or whichever you prefer is totally fine. And we're just gonna type up the URL of the web page where we can find our app, which is vivahelper.com. So go ahead and type that up and click go once you finish. And this is what the web page looks like. And then up here you have a search bar where you can type the name of the app, which is Monopoly Go++. In case you don't find it in the home screen, in our case, I see it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it since it is in the home screen. But like I said, if you don't find it in the home screen, just type up the name Monopoly Go++ and it'll show up for you. And once you find it, just click on the icon and you're going to get this pop up here. And we're going to go ahead and click download now. So we are going to give it a couple of seconds for it to finish downloading here. And then we can continue with installing it into our device so that it's up and running just like all of our other apps in our device. And once it finishes downloading, we are going to get this pop up here. So just go ahead and click allow. And then it's going to say profile downloaded. Keep that in mind and click close, and we can exit out of our web browser. And now we're all going to head to our settings app, and we're going to look for that profile downloaded notification wherever it may be in your device. So in my case, I'm using iPhone, and it's usually up here, as you can see. So just whenever you find it, just go ahead and click on it and click install. And now we are going to type up our passcode, so whatever your passcode is. And yeah, so basically we are going to finish installing it into our device so that it's up and running with the rest of our apps. So click install like that, and then finally click done, and that's basically it. Once we exit out of our settings, as you can see, the app is now in our home screen with the rest of our apps up and running and ready to go. So yeah guys, that is it. That is how you can hack Monopoly Go and get unlimited money for free. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.